Yes, Ozzy, I'm excited too. Birthday party!
Hello, I'm Joe.
Hello, Joe. I'm Fia, and this is Rua.
Wawa.
We have some Dizzy Deliveries for you. Is it your birthday? Is it your birthday?
No,
No.
it's not my birthday.
Granny. Birthday.
It's Granny's birthday. It's a big secret.
Ah, it's a surprise birthday party.
More.
More? More. Wait here.
More. More.
More? Wait here. More. I know. Let's play a game. Birthday parties are hard work. Ah, cake! Well, we've had a great day, but it's time to go home. Bye!
Wait,
Wait. Wait.
we need one more thing for the perfect birthday party.
I'm betting.
Of course! I've one more delivery. A present! Wait here!
A present.
Princess.
Here, a present.
Photo.
Where's the photo?
Don't worry. Sometimes we bring the perfect thing, but there's no need to worry if it's not the right delivery. Just say Dizzy, Dazzy, Day.
Where's Joe?
Ta-da! Look! It's my granny's recipe. Now
Now it's time to hide.
Where is everybody?
Ready, steady, go! I'm tired. Oh, my deliveries.
Hello, Joe. Don't forget about your deliveries. Casper needs the ruler to measure how far he can jump.
A ruler.
Yes, that's the long ruler.
So, this is where we do the long jump. We jump into the sand.
Casper, we should jump because I'm gonna win.
No, I gotta win now. I win.
Five. Casper did a big jump and I did a small jump. Again. Tennis? I love tennis.
Sure.
I'm really good at tennis. Let's play a game. All I have to do is hit the ball over the net. I think I will win.
No, I will win.
Let's play a match. It's broken. We could play a game of football. Wow! Look at this. Let's go!
Go for Casper! Go for Casper!
Wait. Hello, Aisling.
Joe, are you playing football?
Well, you said to have fun.
help?
Oh, yes, please. Thank you. What's your name?
My name is Sebastian. Who are you?
I'm Joe, and I'm feeling a little dizzy. Oh.
Are you sore?
Yes, my knee is sore. Oh, and my head.
Come on, I'll take you to the doctor.
Oh, great. Oh. 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 Oh.
The doctor will see you now.
Hello. Welcome to my office. How can I help you?
Joe fell off his bike and he has a sore knee.
Yes, my knee is sore. I have bandages for you. Sebastian, will you help me?
Yes.
Oh, thank you. Thank you. Now, let's get that knee wrapped up. Here we go. There. Oh, nice and tight. Perfect.
Perfect. Thank you.
While you're here, Joe, can I listen to your heart?
Yes.
You have no stethoscope.
Oh, yes. I lost one. I ordered a new one. Dizzy Deliveries will come today.
Wait. I have a delivery for you.
I'll get it. Your leg is still sore.
Thank you.
Wait here.
Okay.
I found this one. But it's a toy.
Don't worry, I know just what to do. Sometimes we bring the perfect thing, but there's no need to worry. If it's not the right delivery, just say Dizzy,
Dazzy, Day.
Sorry. Sorry. Okay, we're finished. Your knee and your head will be okay.
Joe, would you like lollipop for being so good?
I would love a lollipop.
Go and ask the nurse for a lollipop.
I'm really sorry, Joe. I have no lollipops left.
It's empty.
Wait here.
Lollipops.
Let me help.
Be careful! Oh no! I love lollipops.
you are, Ozzy. Well, here is the fire truck. But where is the fire station? Over there? Over there? Where? Oh.
You must be Joe.
Yes, I'm Joe. And this is Ozzy.
I'm Fiona, the firefighter.
Then this must be the fire station.
Yes.
Ah, Ozzy, wait here. We got deliveries to make.
Now, all I need is my uniform.
Yes, uniform. I have a delivery for you. Wait here. Your new uniform.
Thank you, Joe. It's very smart.
You can wear it when you're putting out the hot fires. You hold this one too.
Joe. Joe. We need to fix the hose. The hose has water, and we need water to fight fire.
Ah, water? My second delivery. Wait here. Water.
That's not enough.
Look at this.
The fire hose because that pumps lots and lots of water.
Don't worry, I know just what to do.
Sometimes we bring the perfect thing, but there's no need to worry if it's not the right delivery. Just say, Dizzy, Dazzy,
Day. Joe, you're all wet.
Yes.
You need a new uniform.
Yes.
Wow, you look like real firefighters now.
Well, we're not real firefighters until we go on the truck.
Hands up. Hands up. Hands up. Hands up.
Well, we made it to the farm. Now we have to look for the farmer who's going to help us.
Joe!
Joe!
Ah, there you are. Hello, I'm Joe.
Hello, Joe. I'm Sarah, and this is Joey.
Hello, Joey.
Hi.
That sounds like my name.
Yeah.
We need to make our deliveries. Will you help us?
Yes!
Great, let's go.
Yes, you're a lovely cow. And I have a delivery for you. Some grass. You want more? Wait here.
Ozzy, we need more grass. This is perfect, Ozzy. I'll get the cows. More grass. Happy cows. My next delivery is for you. What do you mean, no? It's a new bed. It's very comfortable. I'll show you. See?
Is Joe asleep?
I know what to do. Sometimes we bring the perfect thing, but there's no need to worry if it's not the right delivery. Just say Dizzy,
Dizzy,
Dazzy, Day. You did the magic.
Good job. Good job, Joey.
This is a much better bed.
Piggy?
Hello.
There are so many lovely animals at the farm. I like it here. But I still have more deliveries to make. Come here, Martin the sheep. We have some food for you. Bananas. You don't eat bananas? Oh, I love bananas. Oh.
Dizzy.
I prefer bananas.
tired. Time for a rest. Oh, look at the ducks.
Joe, you're late. The people at the theatre are waiting for their deliveries.
We're late? No, we're very busy here. Okay, we'll be there soon. Come on, Ozzy, we're late. Well, here we are at the theatre.
Hello, I'm Jenny. Hello, I'm Rebecca.
I have some deliveries for you.
We're doing a show called The Chicken King.
The Chicken King? I love musicals.
Great!
Come on. This is the theatre.
That's the stage. That is the audience.
Where the people sit.
Here, a crown.
That is too small. You look a bit silly.
I like being silly. Oh, don't worry. I know just what to do. Sometimes we bring the perfect thing, but there's no need to worry if it's not the right delivery. Just say Dizzy, Dazzy, Day.
Look at all these amazing costumes!
Like this.
Are we ready?
No! We need music!
I'm sorry. I'm sad. Wait here.
Ha ha!
That's perfect, Joel.